first die, stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up.
Little trade another day.
And you know what? If it doesn't happen, and for some reason the charts change,
Little trade another day.
and tomorrow I'm the biggest bear out there, so be it.
You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day, live to make another play. You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day, live to make another play.
Little trade another day. Little trade another day. Little make another play.
Win some, you lose some,
But you little trade another day. Little make another play.
scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some.
But you little trade another day. Little make another
Is
play.
it the bottom yet? I'm trying to buy out everything. Not gonna get upset. Just pull the trigger, let it bang. When I see a trade, I'm hopping in like a Uber to secure my future. Up early, just like a rooster. Eyes glued to the computer, looking for a bag or two. Market cipher on the screen, compliments of trading view. Now I know what I'ma do. Buy low and sell high. Even if you try and fail, at least you didn't fail to try. I don't wanna be the type of guy that let fear win. I'm the one that dive in head first and bust my chin. I know FOMO is a no-no, but I still get it in. Now I can't predict the future, but I know I'm bound to win. Later or sooner, I'll be the big kahuna. Cause I got big kahunas. I was not scared to get money, I took me some chances and now I'm the big kahuna. And if you scared, might as well get neuter. I'ma keep chasing my dreams. Wake up in mansion so big, I need a segue to get from wing to wing. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day, live to make another play. Scared money don't make no money. 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 You win some, you lose some,
But you little trade another day.
Good morning all. Hope you're all well. Hope you're all good. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let me make sure most systems go. I think it looks like it is working well here. And yeah, except for my camera, which we can fix. Boom. All right, Wednesday here. Let's see what we got going on the charts. And yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. What's up? Scared money don't make no money. Yes, sir. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, so we're gonna start off on the calendar today. Today's gonna be Wednesday. Wednesday, what we got cooking today? Today is the JPY press conference. Very important today. I wonder if they've already spoke. We haven't seen a big move here. So they kept rates the same, but it's the press conference 10:30 a.m. Shit. So GJ, they're speaking now. Udia is speaking. Are we gonna do part 2 of Udia? Are we gonna do part 2 of speaking? We'll see his friend. If you know, you know. It's like, look, they mess up the market and then they take a holiday tomorrow. It's like they come all give everything they want to give, and then they have a holiday. And later we have FOMC. We have FOMC as well later. So we're gonna see. We need speeches to finish. They've just started. They kept rates the same, but any signs that they're going to increase interest rates going to be bullish for yen here, and we're gonna see it start to drop. But for now, it looks like they're actually talking about keeping rates the same for longer. Here we can see what they're saying. Underlying inflation still remains below 2%. Now remember, underlying inflation, guys, very important. You need to listen. Underlying inflation needs to get above 2%. They have a de-inflationary issue. Means that they don't have enough inflation, okay? FX is more likely to affect prices than before. You see how they word it? They word it like it's a code. This is not even proper English, I feel like. FX is more likely to affect prices than before. What prices? How? Since when prices than before? What type of conjugation is that? It's like they're speaking in code, you know? Anyways, we're gonna see what this guy keeps yapping about, and then we're gonna see, right? So obviously inflation below 2% is not really good for them to increase interest rates. It's kind of indicating they can't increase interest rates. So we're seeing a little pump to begin with. So if we look at the analysis now, of course, speeches can ruin our analysis here because we could get some big random move now. Looking at daily time frame, we have still closed bullish here, still at that daily resistance. 4-hour time frames closing bearish. Current 4-hour no bottom mini wick here, very, very small bottom wick, still stuck at that 4-hour resistance. So if we want to break out, there is actually quite a nice range above. But we're going to leave these ranges here. This 15, we're going to move up slightly higher and complete it as the 4R. So we're tapping that 4-hour right now. So it kind of needs to make a decision what it wants to do at this level. Of course, with speeches, I'm happy to buy above the range breakouts. If we finish speeches, we should have a pretty beautiful range if I remember. Yeah, we have a pretty clean range all the way up to 195 really. 194, 950. We also have a little bit of a watch zone, but we're going to see once we get there. Looking at price at the moment, yeah, inherently here we are mixed session bias. If sells want to happen, I kind of need to let more price action form for that. I just need speeches to finish. Once speeches finish, I can see where we end up after speeches, because if we see some nice little pullbacks here, I mean, I don't mind buying above this little range here. It's like a 12 pip range. You could still capitalize off it. So this is what I want to see. This is what I want. Oh, it just keeps pumping now with the news, right? So I don't really want to trade with speeches because it could be a little bit random. So I'm gonna wait till after speeches to trade GJ and then focus on gold and DAX here. Depends how long speeches. I have typically seen that they have done multiple things. They've either spoke for 2 hours or they spoke for 10 minutes to 20 minutes. So it just depends. The thing is, there's no middle. They either speak extremely long, yapping for 2 hours, or they speak short. So I haven't noticed them be balanced and speak only for like 30 minutes or something. Gold here in the morning tried to break out of the range here. We saw gold breaking out of the range. Obviously, daily candles still closing bullish here. Breakout mode. 4-hour time frames is closing bullish here. We have full bullish bias today. This is 4-hour resistance here. Would like to mark this just for reference point. this 4-hour support. That's the only structure we have on higher time frames. The rest is all in breakout mode. 1-hour time frame, heavy rejection at the moment, retesting that 4-hour. 30-minute as well, heavy rejection. We really rejected this hard, and now we're trying to create some form of support here. I'd love to see price get above 39 here, where we see these rejection wicks coming from, also previous 15. So probably looking for above there. What is this line I have here? I'm gonna move this line to here, something like that. That would be where it would be nice. Hopefully as well we can have a setup 5 on the lower time frame as well at the same time. Got a nice 50 pip setup 3. Yes, I did see that one here. That did look nice actually. Good, even if you ran safe stop loss here, gave good risk to reward. Stop loss below structure 34 pips. Even the 40 pip, you still got a 59 pip banger, 60 pip banger. So very decent move this morning. So I'm bullish bias on gold. If it pulls back to the bottom of the range, I'll be looking for opportunities back up. Just because of bias, like since the same thing since Monday, we've been taking buys on gold. Yes, yesterday was more of a complex buy, took us a long time to get going, and a lot of range we had to sit through. But the nice thing is that sticking on bullish bias has been very rewarding here. So I kind of want to stay with that. I want to stay with that and continue with that. Now today, based on what happened yesterday, it is possible we just start ranging again and then break out later, because we have not seen early London actually give us a push. So we need to see how price action forms here, but I'm bullish. Closes above 38. Interested to retest this and see what ends up happening, you know. So let's go see DAX here. DAX is also pretty interesting spot here. We're towards the top of the range, rejecting at the moment. Let's see daily time frame. We have confirmed breakout candle here. This is a confirmed breakout candle. We haven't broke the highs yet though, but we have broken above the daily resistance, so we could get some continuation if this decides to flip, especially break the high. 4-hour time frame here is closing bearish, so we are mixed bias. Typically the highest chances when we're of course bullish bias. When we're bullish bias, that's where we can see the biggest percentage chance of us to break out of the range here. Let's bring back some drawings, see what we got going on with drawings. Pretty much okay, these drawings. This 4-hour I probably don't need. Could leave it though. Put it there. So plan for today. Mixed bias. I don't want to be a seller too fast, so possibly a seller below the 15-minute range here. Yeah, seller below the 15-minute range, definitely a possibility. If not, I'm looking to buy from the bottom of the range, so let it form structure, probably back above the 4-hour support. I'll be a buyer back above the 4-hour support. Above this 5-minute structure here looks good as well. We need to see how the hour closes in 14 minutes. If it can close back above the support, looks even better. Probably keep it simple like that. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. Probably something to close above 5, that 5-minute basically. Can draw a little box, you know, something like this. So if something can close above here, we can look for buys back up. And then for the sells, we will wait patiently for the sells, not too bearish just yet. And then see after that. There's more buys above 87. And then of course, back in above this range here, we could also trade above 426. But again, that's a pretty big push. To get to 426, we're looking at 93 points. I'll be afraid if we don't find an entry by the time we reach around that 435, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get involved with that, you know, more complex. So that's the analysis here. Gold is back at 40s already. We're already back at 40s. Deep close on gold here, immediately pushing. How big was this stop? 62 for 40 here. Very interesting. Maybe we're just trading breakouts here. Last minute, this closed above on gold. Gold already pushing towards the upside. Very, very, very bullish pressure here. We see that last 5-minute closing above, small bottom wick and gone. So would I have taken this if I was looking at it? Probably not, because of the range. Not enough range for me, especially with 60 pip stop loss. You're better off getting like a 30 pip stop loss here, 25 pip, and then trying to catch the breakout. Easier to catch 25 pip, you know. And yeah, that's the analysis, and that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis, and let's get it today. Let's see what we have in store for us. 300 of us in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. Make sure to leave a like on the stream. You know the drill. Can we get the likes up to 100? I would appreciate it. Today is giveaway day, so be ready for that. We'll do that closer towards the end of the stream, or I'll pick a time. We will do it through Discord, I feel. We'll do maybe one on YouTube, or I'm decide, but I'm actually going to do giveaways over 2 days. Today, what we're going to give away is we're going to give away not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 memberships to Tradesharpe exclusive. 4. Biggest one we've done. 4. Big chance, you know, to have 4. Even if you're part of the exclusive group, you of course can apply. All that will happen is you will get a free month with us. And that's it, and that's it. And the rules are super simple for the giveaway. We will announce them. So that's the first giveaway. Tomorrow we have another giveaway, but that's a surprise, right? There will be one more. Like I said, we hit 600. I'm going big. Tomorrow's even going to be something cooler, but I'm trying to discuss. There's maybe a certain way I want to give this away, because tomorrow's giveaway is maybe a tool that can be used in a better way. Is he in a good mood? No, yesterday we hit 600. I promised at 600. At 1,000 views, I flex my biceps, and everyone can take a pic. I flex my biceps 1,000. Anyone spamming, just ban them. We will not answer people who spam questions. Didn't update the stream win rate? Yeah, you're correct. Thanks for reminding me. See, people don't remind me, but if I lost, people are really telling me, please quickly put your loss. How is orange juice? We'll have a look at orange juice in a minute. Yeah, I kind of wanted a clean close above here for us to take buys, but nevertheless, if gold is just going to be freaking bullish like this, then it will break out above 45. Key level 45. We'll have also some action at key level 45. So what should we do? Should we do 2 Tradesharpe memberships in Discord? Yeah, we'll do 2 Tradesharpe memberships in Discord, and we'll do 2 Tradesharpe memberships on YouTube. Okay, but we'll do it a little bit later. But what I'll do is I'll set up now the Tradesharpe on the Discord one. I jumped into gold after the flip around 37, second bullish 37. Wow. 37. Second bullish and just closed full because of hesitation of past few 1-minute candles. Now looking to get into another buy. Yeah, I don't like that you close from hesitation. I think you need to close at targets. This is a bad habit to close at hesitation, because it doesn't teach anything and it doesn't solve anything. You need to always close at targets. If there's a target to close it, you know. But just because of hesitation, it's not going to help. you know, because there's nothing alarming just yet on 1 minute until we break this 1 minute structure. I'm just letting price drop, but you can stop it from dropping when you see something happening, right? Remember, at worst case scenario, you just move stop loss to break even. Worst case, right? That's worst case scenario. So let's set up. What time is it now UTC? Anyone know what time it is UTC right now? I'd assume UTC right now it is 7. 7 UTC. UTC plus 4. 10, 9, 8, 7. 7:52. Okay. So we should do the giveaway at 8:45 UTC. 8:45. $8:45 the giveaway. Today 19th. We're selecting 2 winners. 2 winners. 2. And then we'll do the other 2 on YouTube. Alright? Publish. Alright, it's all active. We should see it in the Discord. Let's see if it's worked. It has worked. There you go. All you have to do is press participate. It's 6:53. Bro, I need to ban Mohammed. Mohammed's gonna be banned for 2 days. He's gonna be banned for 2 days for giving false information here. Can we edit the time? So we need 7:45. Let's see if we can edit it. Update. Okay, hopefully it will work. Hopefully it will work. You see, John, like nothing broke 1 minute structure. You can just hold that calm free. I left the stream early yesterday. Did you find a way to manage, or did you the trade stop out full SL? Check what happened on the charts, man. Hit full TP. Didn't hit SL. We hit full TP yesterday on yesterday's trade. You can see here. It ended up hitting full. This was SL and then hit TP. Boom. Survived it. You've been right about this for multiple days. I sit here in pain because I'm out too soon like now. That's what I mean. If you get out technically, worst case scenario, you get out based on break even because it just comes back. Pretty interesting 1 hour closes will be, like a setup 3. Udia is still speaking? Yeah, let's see what he's done to the charts. Damn. He's definitely doing something to the charts. This guy, bro. At least he did it at 4-hour resistance, bro. At least he did it at 4-hour resistance. I mean, better than nothing, but holy shit, man. Absolutely cooked all buyers. I saw people early on stream, they were saying in chat, GJ is along, GJ is along. I really hope that they don't get cooked. Man, it's Uida, not Udia. Man, do I look like I give a shit, bro? How to say his name? Do I look like I'm Japanese? I can't say his name. You probably, even if I pronounce it the correct way, I'll be pronouncing it wrong, bro. Even if I say it the correct way. So I like to say Udia because that sounds better. It sounds more Japanese than Ueda. It was 69 participants. I almost didn't push it. 75 now. Let's see if the boys are aligned with me. Yeah, we have speeches problem. Waiting more price action. Trade not available. Too early the plan. That's why you didn't see a trade. That's why you need to plan a little bit later. Gold, this was correct. Yeah, nice. Yes, at the time without speeches, correct. 2/5, correct. Setup 1, correct. Actually, you want setup 1 wants to be above key level. I prefer key level there. 45, I think, was the key level. Deep pullback by above 15, perfect. Yes. There's even a 5-minute here we can look to buy above. Click. Yes. Sell below, yes. Okay, nice. Yes. 45 as well, nice. Damn. It's a good shit I'm seeing. Very happy with the guys now. Look at this, plans are nice. Key level buys. Yes, that's fine. That's also great. I think this one here is better. Not the bottom, the top one. Take the top one. And then 45, perfect. Yes, yes. The sells I don't like from up there though. The sells I didn't like. DAX looking for sells below there. I think we need to break this range. Then the buys make sense because of the daily breakout. Don't disregard daily breakout. Knowledge bias. Yep. Yep. Sweet. Setup 1 on gold? Yeah, if it comes. I got kicked out of the free Discord for telling someone to trade one demo since he doesn't know how to trade. I cannot seem to get in. There must be another reason why. How do you apply for the Discord on YouTube? YouTube will be like, I will tell you to write a keyword and then everyone who writes that keyword will be entered. Everyone who writes that keyword will be entered. But we're going to do that a little bit later. I'd like to do that. Hopefully the markets give a trade. I'd like to focus on that after a trade. Don't like to do that while trading. What time London open? We just opened Frankfurt. So basically Frankfurt session we're trading now, which I find is a little bit better than after London open. What is this called for the giveaway on YouTube? There we go. Good morning, Tradesharpe. FOMC today? Yes, today is FOMC. Definitely could shake up gold for NY. Oh man, now Dia's talking about strengthening, huh? Let's see what he's saying. There was a view today at the meeting that there was upward pressure. What, man? These guys are nuts, bro. How do you... What? Underlying inflation still remains below 2%. There was upward pressure. I mean, I guess they can get away with that. They can get away with that. Because he's not saying... He's saying it remains 2%, but there's upwards pressure. But he should include it in this statement. Not like 10 minutes later then, you know. What? Now he goes and says this. Now he says 1 to 2%? Bro. I don't know how tariff affects the economy in short term. Interesting. Are you sure because daylight savings Tradesharpe 1 hour earlier? I am sure, brother. Don't worry. I'm sure of what time is London open. I am 100% sure. It is my job. I hope I would be sure about that. What you need to be sure of is if you check the calendar, Europe changes times next week. Europe changes times next week. So New York Open change time. New York Open is 1 hour earlier for me. It will be 1 hour earlier for all my guys in Europe because their times didn't shift. Next week, is it next week or the week after? Next week is the 28th. Yeah, so after next week, so by Monday. So not next Monday, the Monday after. 2 Mondays. So the 31st, when we come to the charts on the 31st, that sucks that Monday is the last day of the month. Then the month starts Tuesday. It's always annoying because you're trading the last monthly candle and then a new monthly candle midweek. The 31st will be 1 hour earlier. So the streams, all of the people who do not have daylight saving times, if you're from parts in Asia and stuff like that, India, who do not have daylight saving time, if you don't have daylight saving time not next week, the week after, stream will be 1 hour earlier. Stream will be 1 hour earlier. We'll be back to summertime. I prefer summertime. Get up earlier, sleep earlier, back into like the early morning grind. Also nice to go to gym earlier. Like right now I finish gym when it gets dark. I don't like that too much. Need to buy extra coffee? Well, it's the same for you, Alexi, right? Or you don't have daylight saving time. You don't? Damn. Where are you? Russia does not have daylight saving time? Interesting. But Russia is the same time, very similar time. I think Russia is 1 hour behind, right? Russia is 1 hour behind Dubai. Like what time is it there in Russia? 10? Yep, exactly. It's okay, man. It's only an hour. Just playing? I know. Alright, gold creating structure. It's what we need to buy upside. We could even buy back since it didn't really reach the highs here. Look at this 1 hour close. Is very interesting. It's quite a nice... I mean, it still created a resistance, but long rejection wick is not the most bearish thing. How many people have joined? 100. Exactly 100. So Only rules though, guys. The only rules is you need to be subscribed and leave a like on the stream. That's it. That's the only rules. Very simple rules. Nothing special. All of this BS. Just subscribe, of course. Not going to give something to someone who's not a subscriber. And then leave a like. Why not? We see you in the bright side. 4 people. So you have a chance. Even if you don't win these 2, there's another 2. 4 is quite a lot. If I took this buy, I think I'll be up break even right here, to be honest, because I would have expected it to at least reach the resistance. This would have tapped me break even. I don't know how I would have managed this trade. The only way I can manage this trade is put stop loss below previous candle. So if I'm not break even, then I'm taking 5 pip loss here, because it has to respect this low to continue up. The only thing is I don't like this putting stop loss here because it's nothing. 1 minute it's nothing, 5 minutes it's nothing, so it's kind of a waste in my opinion. See what DAX is doing. So we're still continuing down, more towards the bottom of the range. Can start to look for sells if we really want to start breaking the lows of the range today. We do have some sort of okay selling zone here. I wonder, is it messy on 5? No, it's not messy on 5. That's interesting. That's very interesting. It's just wicks. So a close below there will be doing what all these candles could not do. So you'd want the same scenario as this, where we get structure and then close below. Structure, then close below. What a mess on yen pairs. Let's see what's happening now on yen pairs. Jesus. Total. This guy's still yapping, huh? Yeah, he's still yapping. 1107, bro. Still yapping. I think focus is on DAX and gold here today. DAX and gold. Focus. So many wicks rejected on DAX, so that's why if we were to get a close below, it would be doing what those wicks could not do, which is close below, right? What do you mean when you say 4-hour candlestick closes pre-London session to determine bias when it is always 30 minutes before Frankfurt opens? No, the 4-hour candle closes 1 hour before Frankfurt open. 4-hour candle closes 1 hour before Frankfurt open. Check gold, don't worry. We've been checking gold for the whole day, bro. The whole day. I have my plan set already. I know exactly what I want to do on gold. Just have to wait for it. I mean, yesterday the move came at London Open. So if this just messes about till London Open, it's not a bad thing. And then London Open closes above, it would be the same time move that came yesterday. I'd actually be more confident in that because it would happen the exact same time as it happened yesterday. Hi, if you have a big range which is totally clear and you get a setup one, will you find a break-even point such as key levels? Yeah, why not? And ASP as well. ASP is average session push. There's a webinar in for the guys in the exclusive who wondering. If you haven't studied ASP, I would go watch that ASP video in WAP. Very useful. When do you start trading NY session? I allow myself to take a trade, you know, an hour before if something comes, but I'll be trading NY session mostly from the open. I just find that a lot more moves come after the open rather than before. But I'll set alerts before. I've seen them come. I notice if a pair's been ranging the whole day, like nothing happened in London, or there's news, that's another time that I prefer to trade a little bit earlier before the open. Is if there's news, then sometimes price likes to move early before news. Potential German 40 sells? Yes, it would be a potential. See how it's doing. It's already coming towards our zone here. We should keep an eye on it. Put it on my second monitor. Nice structure created on 5 now on gold. So if we can start to get above, we do have 5-minute structure, which is always a positive. 15-minute high chance, not high chance, but there is a chance that it closes bearish to also create further structure. Do you trade till NYSE? Yes, I mean NYSE has great moves, you know, sometimes better than the open. NYSE SE I've been watching these days, US 30, just been collecting data. NYSE, you mean 9:30 a.m. Eastern? Yes. That is correct. 9:30 a.m. Eastern. When do you finish trading London session? Normally when the 4-hour candle is about to close is the latest I'll take it. But now that the time shift and Europe hasn't adjusted, I still can trade after. So my time, it ends up being around 10 a.m. 10 a.m. you know, UK time. So 8 to 10. Not 8, we trade 7 to 10. If you have a good setup, you can trade before NY or London Open. Mostly before NY, before London Open is where good trades come. Because before London Open's Frankfurt Open, it's a big misconception. People think London session is trading after London Open. Yes, maybe for indices it is more consistent after London Open itself. But I've got some of my best moves on indices before London Open and my best moves in general trading before London Open. What's causing gold to keep pushing to all-time high recently? This is being caused by tariffs. Tariffs and uncertainty in stock market, all of this stuff. Just seeing money flood into gold at the moment. DAX, how is DAX doing? DAX is coming towards our zone, about to close below here. Do we have 5-minute structure? No, damn. That makes it a little bit tougher here, but that is a nice close. Maybe it doesn't close below. Oh, wow, didn't close below. So that's no valid entry for me. Breaks my rules. FOMC today, got any data on it? Yeah, I think inflation coming down pretty fast is going to be interesting to see what they discuss about that. And just the health of the general job market now. What do you think of gold sell below 5 support? Today's bullish bias, brother. Make sure you check bias. Don't be too anxious. What about this? What about that? What about you going to drive yourself nuts? Just stay calm. Set an original plan and only look at that plan. So don't react, right? Always think about that plan. Harry, can you make a video about fundamentals? I like to talk about fundamentals in the moment. So what I mean by that is every webinar I do on Sunday, I'll go over the fundamentals for the week, because fundamentals change, right? Different factors do different things. So that's how it is. I think Tony has a ghost in the back of his room wearing his jacket. So this is what I mean about gold, right? Definitely would have been out break even myself here if I took this trade. Wouldn't have given me enough to close. Stop loss here a little bit big, 59 pips. So this is good though. I can actually take a sneaky buy above the high here. A sneaky buy to fill this wick. This is a 22 pip range, so it's possible. I could also take one more setup too. right? If this retests again, I could just again take a setup 2. We also have to accept, guys, that gold has been very generous. We've had some amazing pushes, and we need to accept that there is a possibility that maybe we want to just range. Something similar to this. Have you seen? This is very similar scenario we see right now, if not carbon copy paste. This scenario here is almost carbon copy. Look at this. Have the same thunder setup, close above. This one closes above. It reaches only a little bit. Stop loss here is 80 pips, only reaches about 50% of that, and then we get stuck in consolidation. You see that? If you look at these scenarios, it's almost identical to what we have right now, right? So it could be very possible here, very possible. Same thing, 60 pip stop, only reaches half of that. So we just have to consider that, right? Don't be blindsided by, oh shit, price is pushing, all I have to do is press buy. No, don't be blindsided by that. So we have to accept if that happens as well. 40. DJ is getting cooked here. Is he still speaking, my man? Maybe he's finished, I think. Last time he spoke was 12, but you know, maybe someone else is speaking. If he's finished, he's still speaking? Okay. Let's let him finish yapping and then we do the analysis. If he finishes yapping, we can do the analysis. But you know, buys from the bottom of the range is not bad. But we don't want to be trading during him speaking. DAX, we wanted the close below, didn't close below, so keeping us safe. Gold gave us during London and then during NY, so consolidation is fine, needs to rest. Yeah, there was a 5-minute option yesterday on gold. What do you think of DAX buys from the bottom of the range? Yes. It's also a possibility, yes, but I prefer right now, with the way we're making lower highs on 5-minute, we need a change of structure or to get back above this. I've observed gold ranging on 1 minute just before London and NY open at all-time high. Yes, that sometimes happens because traders do not want to add orders before the open. As of March 11, 2025, there has been a notable reduction in net long positions on the US dollar. Yes, for sure. Dixie is recovering very strong here. See, Dixie is going up, but gold is also going up. So they're totally. Let's say gold gave a setup 2 good RR. Would you take it previous wick or the bear one? On the previous wick or the bear one? Previous wick. Not the bear one. Now depends about this 40 level as well. Like if it closed right at 40, probably want 5 above just to give me that extra confirmation. If it closes somewhere here and you can trade to the 40 level, it's fine. Time to hit 1,000 for bicep flex. Yeah, yesterday we reached what, 680. I think people were interested to see if I would to get stopped out yesterday. Everyone was hoping for me to get stopped out. Not everyone, but there was a few people. Most of the people were not because they were in with. And then what happened? We didn't get stopped out. Worst case scenario yesterday is you got out break even. Worst case scenario. Unless you emotionally closed at some random point. But the worst case scenario yesterday, you closed break even. If not, took some profit. So yesterday was a great lesson, man. I don't think many people will show that lesson. Definitely a longer trade. To trade 1 minute candles with your strategy, what time frame can I use for bias and direction? I work so many hours, no time. Trade in a time that you have time. You must have at least one session off. You can trade Asian session. It will be slower, more boring, but you know, that doesn't mean you have to now trade a 1 minute time frame, because you might not find profitability on the 1 minute time frame. Everything remains the same. Bias and everything will remain the same. You don't adjust bias because you're trading a lower time frame, right? Bias is a higher time frame. DAX looks good for a sell. It does look like it's trying to cook up something. 5 minute here closes in about 1 minute 34. We have this previous 5 minute range, so right now we'd have to close below this actually. We'd have to close below this. We can see we're testing it. I mean, multiple wicks have tested it, so if we get a nice top wick, we could probably attempt to sell below, break of the low, because we've already tested it so many times that the time it breaks through it maybe can be okay. Unless, of course, it just does a nasty dump right now. What is stop loss looking like? 30 points to here's 20 to here is 39. Yeah, it needs to chill. Chill for the next 1 minute. Let's see how it closes here. Prefer below my line. If not below my line, I do want a decent top wick. Okay, it closed below on my broker. Top wick is coming through here. Yeah, I'll give this a short break of low. Stop loss above the high here. And then look to manage with this structure here. Definitely making a top wick. Just to cross check, has it closed below on your guys' broker as well? Just to cross check. On. Mine's below. Yeah, stop loss will be above the candle body highs here. If 5 minute close is bullish, of course, I need to reconsider my trade. Spreads are high. My spreads are fine now. You need to check with your broker. The only way I can enter is a thunderstorm, right? 15 might close back in the range, and this is why break of low is very important. My spreads are high. You guys need to check your broker, man. You need to open a support ticket with your broker and check why. I can't help you with your brokers, guys. Spreads and stuff I do not control. $600 viewers today. Come on, baby. We hit it yesterday, JP. Were you there yesterday? You missed it, huh? No gold today. We were analyzing gold, but I'm looking to take a trade on DAX right now. About to get in, so I'm focusing on that. 804 spread is normal. Was 200 to 400. Even that's big. Mine is 50. We hit it yesterday? Yeah, we hit it yesterday, man. Yesterday we hit 680, bro. Maybe that's why he missed it. That's why. He's the one holding us back. Last 1 minute. We'll see if we want to flip last 1 minute here. It's definitely possible. Definitely possible. I probably will delete the sell order like 10 seconds before. Alright, I got triggered there. Shit. Got triggered. If you got slipped, it's a consideration to close out. If you got slipped, it's a consideration to close out. If we break this low, I want to be mental break even at least. I don't like the no top wick. We respected the low. If you got slipped, you have to close out. If you got slipped, you have to manage that. I got slipped about a point or two, so I'm watching it very carefully. I wanted to break these lows, then I can get in a safe position here. Perfect. Gonna be moving stops to break even here. So my break even is a little bit lower because of slippage, of course. We're gonna hold this. And that's it. Hopefully we can reach TP. I'm watching this 5-minute zone here. And that's it. So now I'm in a safe position. Even with slippage, we can be break even. And we just have to accept those market conditions. Even if it taps me out break even and goes to TP, I don't care because I can't control that. I just need to make sure I'm in the safest position I can be. Hopefully we get some volume here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go, boys. Looking to close pretty soon. Let's just see what higher time frame is saying here. We tapped this 30-minute here. Shit, I didn't notice that. I did a bad markup. We tapped the 15 as well. I do want to be closing around here. Hopefully get a little push down. Nice. Can we hit TP? No 1 minute pullbacks here, so I do want to kind of be getting out because we've had no 1 minute pullbacks. Nice, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So what I'm going to be doing here is close my trade at TP there and accept around 31 points there, and that is my trade done for today. Brilliant trade here, very happy with it. So I made on this trade 0.9% because I got slipped here a pip. Not a pip, but a couple of points here. About 2.5 points slippage I got. Yeah, 2.7. 2.7 points, so a little bit under, but 0.9 I'll take. I just wanted not to be greedy and close at my TP. A little bit sweaty, but there we go. Beautiful trade nevertheless. And W's in chat, boys. W's in chat if you took this with us. Called it from entry. And yeah, nice to get an early trade here just in time for the giveaway. So if you took it, write a W in chat, leave a like on stream. And yeah, let's get it. Beautiful, beautiful. Lobster was given, it was. How many pips did you guys get slipped, some of you guys? Some of you guys were putting some scary numbers. Fuck's sake, what happened? What did you guys do with that? You managed to hold through and just get out something? Yeah, that's fucking scary. I just don't understand. What server are you on though? What server are you on? On IC, bro. I'm on... What server are you on? Are you on UK server? Not you, not you. I'm asking Joe. How do I change server? You can ask them to change server. What server are you on though? Which server best? I use Frankfurt. So for me, that seems to be the best. London. Ah, there you go. I'm on Frankfurt. Look. This is how you check. gonna send it in the group, in general chat. So you just go on your trader, you click your profile. And then once you click your profile, you'll be able to see it. Should look like this. Check general chat. That's how you know what server you're in. Yeah, that was nice. It pushed even more, huh? It pushed even more. You're in Frankfurt as well? But your account probably a smaller account. You probably Gbpjpy, right? I was happy with that trade. See where Janice got. Oh, you got slipped a little bit here. What made you move to break even here? It looks like you got tapped with the spread. Mine says NY. Bro, you're on NY server. Yeah, it's nothing I can control, unfortunately. I wish I could control the slippage for you all, but I can't. Maybe a Tradesharpe has to open his own broker, huh? Maybe I have to open my own broker to fix it all. Please do. That's a great idea. Nice passive income. It's nice, but it's a very competitive market. Very competitive market. I would like you to notice, even though I got a bit of slippage, I did not be greedy with my TP. I did not be greedy with my TP and change my TP because the market doesn't care about my slippage. Anyhow, we have a giveaway right in time for the giveaway. Man, we peaked at 591 viewers today again. 591. We didn't reach 600. Should I be rude and say if we don't reach 600 today, no giveaway? No, I'm joking. I have a surprise for you when Tradesharpe. We would have a meetup in the future. It's an original gold medal I want to give you because of your trade and your impact on me. It was wonderful. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate that, considering me. Is bro trying to rage bait us? No, bro. I already have the giveaway set up, man. 121 people participated. You have 3 minutes. 3 minutes to enter. Guys, remember on Discord, please listen, please. I will never DM you first. If anyone is DMing you, it's not me. If anyone is DMing you, it's not me. Please. Please, please, please. I'm begging you. It's please stop getting. If you get scammed by this, it's your own fault. Yes, yes. What is it called? German 40? Try German 30, German 40. Try DE 40. Someone DMing me in Discord called Feet Sharp. Jesus. Oh shit. Udia is not playing, huh? Look at GJ even dumped here. DAX 40 for Bram. DAX 40 for Bram. IC Markets is DE 40. About 6 people DM'd you. Yes. Would DE 30 work? Yes, it's called that as well. Gold is consolidating at the moment. DAX is still moving down. Have some 5 minutes support here. Definitely could start to reject from this zone without volume. Are the giveaways for those not in the exclusive? Yes. Have you shared keyword for giveaway on YouTube? After the giveaway, what do we have to do to participate in prize? There's 2 ways. Either in Discord, but you have only 20 seconds. You have to just click this button. The second way is on YouTube. I will tell you a word. Just type that word in chat and you'll enter on YouTube. I'm going to run it on YouTube after this. We're going to run it now. After this giveaway, we're going to run it. Let's see, let's see. It's supposed to be out. It's broken. Let's give it a sec. Let's give it a sec. But it's, it's not selecting. Let's give it a sec. Let's give it a sec. And let me choose. Let me choose the keyword for the giveaway on YouTube. I can do it by users enter by being active in chat. Keyword giveaway, random number. Users win by guessing a random number. Damn, that's maybe fun. Which one should we do? Keyword or guessing a random number? Did the winners select? There we go, man. Congrats to these two. Please DM me. Please DM me. You have to DM me. And if you guys make a fake... No. If you guys make a fake... Right, Joe, an exclusive one. Damn, he's getting free exclusive. And we have this someone new here. See when they joined our server. They joined our server in October 15th, 2024. Congrats. Keyword or number? I'm seeing keyword more. Keyword. Alright, so you guys have to DM me, both of you. And then that's it. Now let's do keyword. Alright. What should the keyword be? Regulars can enter the giveaway. Yes. If you're a regular in the channel, you get 2x chance to win. If you're so if you're regular in our channel, you have a 2x chance to win. 2x chance to win the giveaway. If you're a regular in our channel. The keyword will be OJ for orange juice. Alright? Capitals. Do not spam multiple entries because it will remove you. Create. Let's go. 60 people in. Holy shit. Let's see. Enter. Are you getting shadow banned? Probably. We have 85 entries. Do not respam. Do not respam. Do not respam. If you respam, it actually enters you out. You have to type OG. My PC even his fans are going off. My PC fans are even going off because of the heat the chat is bringing. 169 entries now. Damn, that jumped from 85 to 169. Remember guys, you have to like the stream and be subscribed. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you will not win. You will not win. I will select someone else. I will select someone else. Okay. Make sure you're subscribed. 189, 190. Last 10 seconds and I'm choosing someone. Last 10 seconds. Let's reach 200. Okay, we hit 200. I'm choosing someone now. I'm choosing someone. Ready? 3, 2. If Tony wins, I swear I quit. 1. Go! Babu! What a name. Babu won. I've actually seen him in the channel for a while. This guy is the first winner. Type something. He has to type something. If he doesn't type something, he doesn't win. You have to type something. Shtur Babu, please type something. Oh, we have to wait for his message. Babu has to type something. You have to type hello. Oh, there he is. There he is. All right, one more winner. 34 seconds. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. GG. Who is GG? Following status unknown. Following status unknown. Oh shit, what happened to that? Where's my giveaway? So GG won. Let's see if GG types something in the chat. Let's see, let's see. Does he type something in the chat? Where's my previous winners? Where's my previous winners? Let's see, GG. Me? Your name is GG in YouTube? Type something. First winner, thank you, Ents, thank you. GG is not typing. GG is not typing. Fine, we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something special, guys. We're gonna do something special. We're gonna do something special. What are we gonna do? We're gonna re-roll on Discord bot. Are you ready? Discord bot. Let's re-roll. Can we re-roll? Alright, alright. Only one winner will win though. Only one winner will win. Okay? Because it will re-roll 2 people. It will re-roll 2 people, but only one will win. Here we go. Re-roll. What was it? Today? Yes. Here we go. Re-rolling. Oh, here's the winner. Sanity. Sanity 3 mutual friends. I believe Sanity was once in the exclusives. Sanity, I remember, was once in the exclusives. And that's it. So tomorrow we have more giveaways. As I said, 600 viewers, big giveaway. So that was today. We gave away 4 Tradesharpe memberships. 4 Tradesharpe memberships were given away. And tomorrow we're going to have one more giveaway. But I need to think about how I want to do it, because tomorrow giveaway is pretty big. I did see someone also gave a super chat. I appreciate that. What currency is this? KES. What is that? Kenyan shilling? I appreciate that. 150. Wonder how much that is in dollars. $1 it seems. Don't need to donate to me. So someone won in the exclusive group as well. Was it you, Joe? Was it this Joe? Joe Marsh? Different Joe? Which Joe was it? I need to find out which Joe it was. It's someone in the exclusive. Oh, it's you. Congrats. Make sure to DM me. Congrats. It's not Chicken Joe. It's not Chicken Joe. Chicken Joe isn't a real Joe. Yeah, tomorrow we have another giveaway, so we're going to do that tomorrow as well. Gold is ranging. DM, thank you. GJ had an absolute dump here. Harry, I wanted to ask, in your strategy, why don't you leave a runner to maximize risk to reward ratio? Because if you calculate a runner, like today I'm not planning a runner because I only leave runners when I plan it. Higher time frame here didn't have room, right? If we look at 4-hour time frame, we have supports here for a runner. We had another support here, daily resistance here. This could easily be daily resistance. London can start to continue up. So what happens is if you keep leaving runners, especially when you move stop loss to break even, if you keep leaving runners, what ends up happening is that you close half, you make only 0.5% at 1-to-1, and the rest stops you at break even. So you keep winning 0.5% but losing a full percent. You see what I'm saying? So there's a video on WAP in the exclusive group here. Let's show you this video. I want you to watch this video today. Today you need to watch this video. Let me show you it. You need to watch this video. It is called percentage. Can you guys see anything with percentage? Yeah, percentage values of holding runners versus closing full. This, you can see all the calculations. So you can see how it's not actually worth it long term unless you plan for runner to hold full position. Although today it moved nicely, but it's not something we plan. Yeah, it's worth it if we had range. Like today was full bearish bias. You know, we didn't have a daily breakout close as well. It would be worth it, you know. Is there something to do on DAX after that bearish push? What do you mean by something to do, Cam? Like next targets or something? Or what do you mean by that? Spin the wheel? Yes, we have spin the wheel in the exclusive group. Carson's favorite tool, spin the wheel. Did I update the stream win rate? No. 116. I was gonna keep a Rama, took profit because of fake Bundesliga green news from Mirko, full scammer. Yeah, Mirko is always scamming. When do you setup 1 versus setup 3? I mean, if you don't have a setup 1, you can look for setup 3. Yeah, it would have been nice to leave something here, man. Did push very nice, huh? 85 points here. Can you make a video about setup 5? I think I do enough. Setup 5, I like to keep it because I want people to focus on setup 1 and 3. Not 1 and 3, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Are you in the trade? I took profit. I'm out of the trade now. Nice. You left a runner. Why just not leave? Oh, you did leave a runner. Damn. Bro's playing games with us. He actually left a runner. Bro is playing games with us. He left a runner. Did you use setup 4? I haven't used the setup 4 recently, no. Is the goddamn speech over? Let's see. Yeah, it's over. It's over. Might get set up for on gold. Yeah, it's just a bit messy with gold here. You need to be very careful. You just see how it is. I would prefer maybe on a 30-minute, but if it grabs liquidity first, it's nicer. But all of this chop up here, you can get chopped up. Just want to be a little bit careful not to get chopped up in here. You took a trade? Let me see what you took. While I'm in the public. JP, what did JP take here? This is your GJ trade. Impulsive sells. Yeah, you know me, I'm not an impulsive trader. But if you followed your plan, I can't deny against that. I don't see the message. Oh, I posted in private group, sorry. It looks like this. If you go on your phone, you can see here, access server, FRK. Means Frankfurt. So trading DAX on a Frankfurt server should hopefully give me the maximum execution, right? Yeah, we did get the bounce here with London Open. You know, changes of structure, buys could also make sense back up here. You could actually look to buy on that candle potentially here, depending on how much it pushed. Gonna delete this position now. Hope you guys took all your notes. Slowly coming back. Let's go. Yes, sir. Guys, we saw a spike in people practicing on Pip Labs. We're very happy to see it. So keep it up, keep it up. Our average session, okay, let's see in chat. How long do you think our average session is on Pip Labs? So we have an average session. Average, how much people are spending per time on Pip Labs. Average session amongst over 4,000 simulations. 4,000 plus simulations. Let's see in chat what people are saying. Five minutes. We're getting 45 minutes. $30 minutes. Very good, very good. So our average simulation duration is 38 minutes. 38 minutes. Imagine this, guys. Our demo average simulation session is also 28 minutes, 25, 28. Demo. Paid users, about 40 something, so it averages out to around 38. So whoever voted 30, 40, you're correct. So people spending time on the platform. People spending time on the platform is great to see. Not doing BS, they're actually testing. They're actually testing. We're actually designing a new website. Full new website is gonna come soon, guys. Full. Behind the screens, we're making it faster, even faster than it already is. Better. Daily basis, we're just trying to make it better. That's it. How's Piplabs doing? I've noticed seem to be performing better than when I first joined. Yeah, for sure. Definitely a lot of work going. We hired 2 people. We have now a team of 4. So we're definitely working in the background, making user experience. We actually, I don't want to spoil too much, but we're changing a little bit of the overlay here. I don't know if I should spoil it to you guys. I just hope we're too far ahead with it for anyone to copy. But Pip Labs is going to become like this. I don't know if I should spoil it, but okay. If you're watching, you're watching, I guess. If Pip Labs is going to become like this, you will be able to mid-simulation switch a pair like that. So while you're simulating, you could simulate London session, and halfway through your session, like let's say I trade gold DAX, you don't need to open a new simulation for gold. You don't need to open a new simulation for DAX. You don't need to open a new simulation for GJ. During your simulation, you'll just be able to switch to GJ, switch to gold, exactly how we're doing it right now. So at the same time, you can manage your 3 pairs and practice trading 3 pairs. So this is a huge thing. The second thing we have is you'll also be able to, okay, I'm spoiling, but you'll be able to multiple trade at the same time. So you can have 2 screens open of different pairs or same pairs, different time frames. That's what's been going on in the background. In terms of marketing side, we've been opening our affiliate program. So we're having people affiliate with Pip Labs, meaning that they're going to be affiliates of Pip Labs. They're going to promote it to their communities. We don't really mind who promotes it. We're not connected to them. So we're just allowing whoever wants, because this software has, like, even if those people are not teaching well or whatever, it doesn't matter. At least we're going to be providing a software that will help other people. So that's what we're doing. We're working on affiliate marketing. Just if you guys are interested to know what we're doing for marketing, just update you about the business, right? I like to share with other people who might find it interesting. So that's what we're focusing on, having different people be affiliates. They get paid, of course, if they sell. And that's it. So that's what we're doing on marketing side, of course, technological side. So signing few contracts with people who want to be affiliates. And we don't mind. Anyone can be affiliate. It's just a backtesting software. So yeah. You can try out if you don't know what Pip Labs is. I'm sure all of you guys who watch me regularly do. But we look forward to the future of it. And we're not stopping. We are pushing it hard. We're pushing it hard. We can't wait for that new version. We also... okay, I'm not going to spoil the other things. The other things you have to wait. Is there a free trial? There's a demo version. So demo version will just limit how many pairs you can test, but we've been very generous. We've given you one Forex pair, we've given you both indices because we know people like to trade indices, and we've given you a commodity here. So that's it. And also you're limited to how much you can trade, and you can't use the prop firm simulator. You cannot use a prop firm simulator. Will there ever be a PipLabs desktop? I don't think we need a PipLabs desktop. It works pretty fast on browser. If you look here, loading time, let's count how many times it takes to load 1 year of data. Not 1 year, 2 months, 1 month of data. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, not bad. 10 seconds to load all of that. So it's okay. And the interesting thing is, if you request 1 year of data, if you request 1 month of data, it will take the same time to load because it's already cached in our databases. So that's it. Also, if you notice, guys, like that skipping, not all the time it's going to say buffering for 2.5 days. You can see that buffering for 2.5 days has kind of stopped. Check how smooth this is now. Let's speed this up. Skip by 1 hour. Look, no buffering. It rarely buffers, right? Now it needs to load new data, and then you can go again. Boom. So it's pretty good. It fetches ticks pretty fast now. So you get every 2.5 days, it takes about 3 seconds. Look, 2.5 days, 1, 2, 3. So 3 seconds is acceptable in 2.5 days. So we're just trying to make it even faster and faster and faster and faster. So hopefully we'll see all of that come together. But that's an update about it. Haven't really updated you guys about PipLabs for like a month or so. Kind of been in just working mode. But happy to update you guys. All right, I'm gonna call it here, guys. Appreciate everyone showing up to stream. Been a pleasure. And yeah, appreciate you all joining the giveaways and all of that good stuff today. And yeah, that's it. DAX retraced the whole move. And yeah, calling it so early. Yeah, I've taken my trade. That's my job done for the day. Don't need to push it anymore. We done our giveaway, had a good chat. That's it. That's it. I'm here if I have to be here. I'm here to trade. That's my job. So have a good day. Take care, guys, and hopefully catch you guys very soon. All right. Peace. Much love. Take care. Hopefully see you soon.